Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today I am going to share with you just a weekly check-in for the week of February the 5th. It is currently the 9th, so today is Thursday, and I'm finally feeling a little bit better. I've had the flu for the last week. I started feeling bad last Thursday, and feeling a little bit better, but still like really tired and worn down. So I haven't gone to the bank. I don't have any cash yet. So that's why I haven't done a cash envelope stuffing, but I thought I would just go over with you the transactions in my checking account that have been charged since my payday, and then talk to you about a couple of changes to the budget as I'm talking. So I'm just using a Clever Fox dotted notebook. It's nothing fancy. I just drew some lines and I record the date, what the charge was, the amount, and the balance. And hopefully this isn't zoomed in too terribly much. So on the 3rd, I did get my paycheck. Now my paycheck is $12.50. That's what actually gets deposited into my account. And so that's why I did the amount like that. This time, my paycheck is $1,500, but $250 of that automatically gets transferred into my Charles Schwab IRA account. So on the 3rd, we went to Edwards, which is a local grocery store. We picked up some meat and a few things, and that came to $33.76. My renter's insurance was charged on the 3rd, and so my renter's insurance was not included in this paycheck. It would have been included in the previous budget. The problem is when I did my budget, the beginning balance was as if my renter's insurance had already cleared, and it had not, and I just don't feel well, and I didn't want to have to go back and try to figure out the transaction log, so I just scrapped it. And so that's why my beginning balance is different than what it would have been had I included the renter's insurance. So that did come out on the 3rd. Usually it comes out on the 2nd. That was $49.17. Now, because I'm sick, I'm trying to do a no spend year, and one of my rules is no grocery delivery unless I'm sick and contagious, which I am. And apparently I went like crazy at Walmart. I don't remember spending this much, but apparently I did. And this is one thing I don't like about the Walmart app, is that it doesn't do one charge if you go back and add more items, and that was what I did. So I've got my first charge to Walmart was $9.32. Those are for reusable K-cups, and those should be delivered, I think, this Friday, so tomorrow. The second Walmart charge is for groceries. That was $46.95. And then Carol Ann went to Walmart, and she accidentally charged my card. She didn't realize it was in the app, and when she did the Walmart Pay, it charged my card. That was $72.47. Now she did Cash App me money back. She Cash App me like $43, but with the fees, you'll see that I actually got less back, but that's okay. I did do a Cash App donation for $20, and then I did Cash App Carol Ann half of the electric, which was $150. Now, thankfully, the electric bill was only $260, and I budgeted $300, so that was like a $40 difference, and I just told her to put gas in her car. Just keep it, put gas in your car. I gave her her allowance. That was $160. And then I Cash Apped her half of the rent, which was $310. And then I did get money from Carol Ann from Cash App for the Walmart situation, and I got $71.72 back in my account. I did get Etsy income for this month, so I changed my Etsy settings. I'm only paid monthly now, and so I had some really good sales last month. I actually had quite a few. I had offered free shipping on my Etsy site, and it really ate into how much I made, because my listings are like maybe $12 a piece and shipping is $4. So I didn't make very much on each listing, which is kind of a bummer. And I'm going to have to remove the free shipping because I'm not breaking even. And so I took out 1/3 of my income, and I put that in my tax account in my Ally online account, and what was left over was 101. I don't have any business expenses, and so I'm taking that as income. And then here's the Walmart. So I guess this is the other Walmart charge, was $197.14. So I guess I did 2 separate orders. And then last was Netflix, and that was $16.55, and that came out, I think, yesterday. So the only thing I'm not sure about, and I have a balance of $1,109.18 in my account right now. I don't know about the Walmart tip. So I did a $10 tip when I did the online order, and I can't tell if the tip came out of all of these charges or if it's going to come out later, but it's possible I've got another $10 coming out. But that's it for this paycheck. I don't have any other bills or transactions that'll come out of my account, which is good. So worst case, I'll go to the bank and pull out all but $10, and then I'll have, a little over $1,000 to stuff for this 2 weeks. So I'll try to get that done tomorrow. I've been, like I said, under the weather, and I haven't really felt much like filming. And so I'm starting to feel a little bit better, so I'm going to try to get caught back up on videos. But I at least wanted to tell you guys what the status of my account was as of today, since I didn't do cash stuffing and I went shopping at Walmart. Clearly, I'm over budget. My budget is $100 a week, and I was, almost $50? No, I was like $60 over, which, it is what it is. And let me tell you, oh my gosh, I'm almost embarrassed to show you the status of my refrigerator right now. Carol Ann went shopping. I went shopping. It is stuffed full. So any progress that I made in the last 5 weeks while she was gone, eating out of the pantry, it has all been undone. So I can't wait to show you the fridge and freezer when I do. I should do like a meal plan and prep for this next week. I need to. But anyway, I'll quit babbling. That's everything from me, guys. Again, this was my transaction log and my check-in for the week of February the 5th. And as far as let me just say, for my no spend, I had no spend days. Is that right? No, I didn't spend any money that was not needed on groceries, except for this $9.32 for those reusable K-cups. And that was something that Carol Ann wanted, and she's not participating in the no spend. So for this last week, I did not spend any money outside of groceries, which means I had another successful no spend week. All right, that's everything from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.